So next problem. So sabi dito, the fireman holds the hose at an angle theta is equal to 30 degrees with the horizontal. So the water is discharged at hose A with a speed of 40 feet per second. If the water stream strikes the building at B, determine the two possible distances S from the building. So hanapin natin yung dalawang S dito. So, solve natin. So, for y direction muna tayo. For y. So, given tayo ng dalawang height. So, kunin natin yung difference na ito. Yun yung magiging delta y natin. So, delta y is 8 minus 4, which is 4. Then, gagamitin natin pala itong equation na to. Is equal to the VI, which is 40 sine of the angle 30. Multiply by the t, which is unknown pa. So, wala naman tayong time dito sa problem. Then, minus 0.5 multiplied by the 32.2. Then, the t squared. So, magkakaroon tayo ng quadratic equation. So, meron tayong simplify natin. So, lipan natin to for sa kabila. So, meron tayong negative 16.1 t squared plus 40 sine of 30, which is 20 t minus 4 is equal to 0. So, meron tayong quadratic equation. So, gamitin natin yung calculus natin para makuha yung dalawang roots ng equation. So, shift. So, meron tayong mode, then 5 equation. Then, press 3 for the quadratic. So, then input natin yung 16.1. Then, plus 20. Then, negative 4. So, meron tayong x is 0. Then, time natin, yung isang time natin is equal to 0.9917. Then, the other one is time is equal to 0.2505. So, magkakaroon tayo ng dalawang distance dito. So, pwede nyo rin naman gamitan yung quadratic equation kaso mahaba yun. So, may calculus naman, pwede naman yun. If di kayo allow, mag-manual, pwede. So, for x naman tayo, for x direction. For x. So, madali lang tong problem na to. For x, then, anon pa yung natin? S. So, yung delta S natin, so, is equal to the initial, which is 40, and the cosine 30 multiplied by the time, which is yung unang time, which is 0.9917. So, our delta S is equal to 40 cosine of 30 multiplied by 0.9917, which have 34.35 feet. Then the second is delta S natin is equal to 40 cosine of 30 multiplied by 0.2505. So, delta S is equal to 8.6776. 8.6776 feet. So, ito yung dalawang two possible delta S natin for this question. So, ito na yung sagot, guys. So, dito pala, hindi ko nalalagay, for x, hindi ko nalalagay yung part na to dito sa formula natin kasi magiging 0 lang naman yan. Kasi 0 yung acceleration natin in x direction. So, yun na yun.